I'm Honoris Lopez Morales, and I'm your Vice President of Membership.
My name is Kiara Smith, and I am your Vice President of Finance.
My name is Leilani Salata, and I'm your Vice President of Program Development.
My name is Kaya Ladi, and I'm your Vice President of Competitive Events.
My name is Kalia Cole, and I'm your Vice President of Service Learning.
My name is Mary Flores, and I'm your first Vice President.
And my name is Hannah Lindecker, and I am your State President. On behalf of the entire State Executive Council, we are so excited to serve you. We are ready to kick off the year with a new series we call Minute to Make It Count videos, which will be 1-minute videos giving you updates about the organization and things to look forward to. We'll see you next Monday.